I'm Haley, and this is Shannon. We're at the Cider Barrel in downtown Olympia, and today we're going to be having some awesome ciders that are from our cans as well as from our draft.
This is the Black Cherry Hard Seltzer, 4.5 ABV from Maha out of Golden Road Brewing in Sacramento. I'm really into hard seltzers right now. I'm not super into like the hype around hard seltzers, but I think they get a bad rap because everyone's so hyped up about them.
I agree. They're great for summer,
Oh my gosh, yeah.
like sitting on an inner tube.
That's ideally where I would be at all times.
Ooh,
I like this one.
I do too.
I like
Yeah.
this one a lot.
Oh, and it tastes like chocolate. Like I
Huh.
feel the like I want to have a piece of chocolate.
Okay, so I can follow you down the dessert route
Okay.
with this one. I can't follow you exactly to chocolate, but I can follow you to not a cobbler, but like some type of blackberry dessert. Ooh, with vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
That's what, okay, so I'm following you.
Or like a cherry chunk ice cream.
Yes, or
So
those,
it's that kind of cherry,
Yes.
which is nice.
I feel like this is also a farmer's market situation.
Totally. Yeah.